Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the fourth video of most important Python interview questions series. If you have not watched my previous three videos, please do watch. I have already put the link in the description box. So today I will tell you about the function and lambda function and what are the difference between function and lambda function and why we use lambda function over the normal function. So without delaying, please let's start the video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe to watch more such videos.
So now we will talk about the lambda function. So what is lambda function? Lambda function is basically it's a anonymous function which is used or which is the replacement of the general function, and which is very memory efficient, and we don't need to create any function, we don't need to allocate a memory, or we don't need to externally create a function. So let's see how this lambda function works. So let's take an example where I will create a normal function, and let's see how it works. Let me create a function, the normal function, which we multiply all the numbers of a list by 10. Let's see. For example, definition multiplicate then x. Let me pass the x. Then I will return x into 10. Then I will for I in 10. So what it gives the value from 0 to 10, and all the values are multiplied by the 10. So we can do these things, this, if you'll see, this is taking like four rows, four line of codes we are using, but we can do it with a single line of code using lambda function. So let's see how it works. So let me take any of the range, or else no need to take, we can just map lambda x colon x into 10. Then this is the map function we are passing, then we need to pass the value range 10. Then what I will do, print. Okay, there is some end of error file came. Okay, so you will see here, with a single line of code I am able to print all the elements, and I just multiply all the elements by 10. So this is the lambda function I used, without creating any function. Like here I created a mul is a function name I created, then I call the function. But here I did not create anything directly, I just create in lambda function, which is a anonymous function. I don't need to give any name to that function, and simply I can create it, and I can pass the, this is the statement, this is the code I can create, and this is the argument, the parameter I am passing, having range from 0 to 10, 0 to 9 is basically, and I can print it by using a list, and it is completely lambda function. Usage of lambda function is completely memory efficient, and it is very faster. So let's see the next example. Let me create a data frame. How it works? Suppose let me create a data frame. So I created a data frame here. and suppose I want to what I want to using lambda function. I just wanted to extract the first three letters of each word. For this name column I want to extract the first three column, first the three letters of each value of the name column. So how can I do? Let's see. So we can write it df1 dot, we can give, you can create a new column, and let's take the new column is short name equal to df1 dot, then I need to pass name dot apply. Inside that we can put lambda function x colon, then I can do x3, that is the first three elements. Then let's print df1. So if you'll see here, using lambda function I did it, and I am able to extract the first three letters of each elements of name column. And this is very fast, and we will able to do it very with a very less number of codes, and it is very much faster, also memory efficient. But if we have to do in using the normal function, it would have taken a lot of time, and we have to create a external user defined function which will consume more memory, and which is also very slower compared to this lambda function. So this is all about the lambda function and general function. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.